All right, watermelon pizza.
Now, Hakeem, have you ever had a watermelon pizza?
I have not had a watermelon pizza. I'm very excited.
I can't take credit for this recipe. It's actually a friend of mine who writes for my website, Captain Ron. But how can you go wrong with a watermelon pizza?
You can't go wrong with any pizza.
And the grates are perfect for this because we are looking for those nice char marks. Aw, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So we ready to hear some sizzle on the grill?
Let's do it. Woo, listen to that sizzle, baby.
So what I love about grilling watermelon is that the grill really sweetens the fruit, just like everything does. I feel like a lot of vegetables and fruits really get amplified when they hit the grill.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, let's flip these guys.
Right. So what's the craziest, weirdest fruit you've ever grilled?
I don't know how crazy it is, but I love grilling grapefruit.
Okay.
And then making a paloma out of it. So a paloma is basically like, you know, instead of a margarita with lime juice, it's tequila and grapefruit juice.
So I would imagine it adds some smoke too to the
It totally
paloma,
adds
right?
smoke to the fruit. And you know, smoke and tequila and smoke and mezcal are amazing combinations.
You're making me thirsty. Stop it.
Should we check this
Yeah,
watermelon?
let's check on this. Now, what's the next step on this?
Grill it, get some nice char marks, and then we're just gonna finish with some feta and some mint and balsamic glaze.
Ooh, you got it?
Oh, okay. Perfection. Okay, are we ready to add our toppings?
Let's do it with olive oil.
Olive oil.
Sexy drizzle. Yeah, baby.
All about the drizzle. Now we're gonna let it rain feta. It's raining feta. Now some mint.
Fresh mint.
Balsamic glaze for the win. Is that pretty or what?
Most things off the grill, it's barbecue. This smells like elegant. It's the mint, I think, right?
Absolutely.
Oh, it just smells like fancy.
Fancy,
Like, it's so
but approachable.
We gotta dig into these.